AirView Pro 4 triple camera claims to be a next-generation drone, made for beginners, but with professional-level power and super easy controls. Sounds exciting, right? But is it really legit? Let's find out together. First off, the AirView Pro 4 is pushing a 50% discount and uses phrases like, "Grab yours now before stock runs out." Ever seen that before? It's a classic pressure tactic trying to rush you into buying. Makes you wonder, is the deal real or just marketing hype? Next, we check the product images. And here's the thing. Many of them seem to be copied from the internet. Yeah, that raises a big red flag. If the pictures aren't real, can we really trust what's being sold? Then there's the feature list. A 100 megapixel triple camera, 6K video, 51-minute flight time, LiDAR sensors for a beginner drone. Honestly, that sounds almost too good to be true. It's hard to believe all these features actually work as advertised. Could this be just over-the-top marketing? Another thing, the expert reviews. They've shown names, sure, but can we actually verify if these experts tested the drone? Not really. So, the reviews don't feel completely trustworthy. And finally, they claim to have over 10,670 happy customers. That sounds impressive, right? But when we tried checking reviews on sites like Trustpilot, nothing, no reviews at all. Makes you question, are these numbers real or just exaggerated? So, is the AirView Pro 4 triple camera legit? Honestly, with all these concerns, pressure sales tactics, copied images, exaggerated features, unverifiable expert reviews, and questionable customer claims, it seems really suspicious. If you're thinking about buying, I'd say be very careful, don't rush in, and always check before you spend. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more honest updates.